Günaydin, the pioneer of the steakhouse concept in Turkey, showcases its craftsmanship with the most delicious, high-quality meats. After successfully running over 40 restaurants across Turkey, Turkey's highly established kebab restaurant and steakhouse Günaydin opened its doors to meat lovers in the UAE. Located on the waterfront promenade, Günaydin enchants its guests with a spectacular view of the Dubai Fountain and Burj Khalifa, adding to Souk Al Bahar's international selection of premium dining options. The restaurant has earned a name and popularity solely on this one man, the co-founder of Günaydin. He is most often described as the fastest butcher in the world. The professor of meat, he is Chef Junaid. Having specialized in butchery for more than 50 years, Chef Junaid believes he's here to quench the thirst of Dubai's meat lovers and have them marvel at the magic that the finest quality meat can make. He's also the mentor to the meat internet sensation Salt Bae, who started his career from Günaydin in Turkey and is now showcasing his culinary skills all over the world. Chef Junaid loves his job, and that reflects in the tools he uses in the kitchen. Fans of Turkish cuisine are in for an exceptional treat, as Günaydin's open kitchen concept can really help work up the appetite. Günaydin is known for its meat platters, an assortment of some of the finest meats, all grilled with Turkish flavors in Turkish style, served with tomatoes, chilies and some breads made in-house by the Turkish chefs. The restaurant is famous for its breads, the pide, a Turkish-style oval-shaped flatbread filled with cheese or meat, and this is made from scratch at the restaurant. The two signature kebab dishes at Günaydin Dubai are named after Turkey's two most famous kebab cities, Adana and Urfa. Both of these kebabs are made with ground beef or a mixture of ground beef and lamb kneaded together with onion, garlic and spices, then packed by hand around large flat metal skewers. Keeping true to its Turkish tradition, the quintessentially Turkish dessert at Günaydin Dubai is prepared by a Katmer master who has been preparing the flaky pastry for the past 30 years. Katmer is an ancient flaky pastry of Anatolia filled with pistachios, traditionally eaten during breakfast, but rather appropriate with a cup of keh, which is Turkish tea by the way. Established in 1965, Günaydin began as a small butcher shop in Istanbul's Bostanci neighborhood and has become Turkey's unequivocal meat pioneer. Günaydin, the pioneer of steakhouse concept in Turkey, maintains its leadership by providing the most delicious, high-quality meat and its craftsmanship. Günaydin Dubai offers diners real, authentic Turkish cuisine in a stylish and contemporary atmosphere.